So what is the benefit and the purpose of replanting trees in an area like this? Because I'm sure some people would say, surely it'd be better off to just leave the ferns to grow because that is increasing the biodiversity of the landscape. However, what happens when you get a clearing like this due to the felling of large trees like that is that so much light hits the forest floor that certain plants, like most trees, can go into what's called light shock, where there is too much light too quickly that the seeds do not have the capacity to germinate as quickly as they need to. Whereas other species like blackthorn and bracken and certain invasive species as well will quite easily jump on that opportunity and just dominate this area here. This area has been clear for 10 years now and there is not enough sign of natural regeneration. It means that there is less habitat for certain birds and rodents and different insects that might live and thrive in this woodland. And so the purpose ultimately of replanting trees is to create those habitats that have been lost and reconnect, as I said, these fragmented areas of woodland that were once connected but now are separated, and therefore limit the biodynamic interactions between different plants and species and habitats ultimately. This is one area that is starting to show some really healthy signs of natural regeneration with all these birch trees and holly trees coming back here. But we want to speed up the process, so we'll be using certain tree planting methods that mimic the natural cycles of forest succession, and hopefully when we have sourced the right trees, the right species of trees, and plant them at the right time, then this area down here will start to look a lot more like this area here. So if you want to be a part of supporting our work in doing that and helping us fund the purchase of hundreds and hundreds of tree saplings so that we can get this area growing as quickly and as densely as possible, then head to the link below to support our fundraiser. Otherwise, you can just like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the Wellstead. All of that is a great help too. And follow us along to see this journey of restoring and rewilding this ancient woodland.